Hello guys, today we are going to talk about requirements engineering and management, the tools that we require for requirements engineering and management. The first, we are going to talk about the ReqSuite software because I like this tool. ReqSuite software is a requirement tool that thinks ahead. ReqSuite or software helps organizations to analyze and manage requirements more completely easy and standardized. As a result, ReqSuite not only reduces costly project rework by up to 40%, but also simplifies the analysis, planning, and design in the development procurement projects. Idea of this software. ReqSuite was initiated by three former Fraunhofer scientists with many years of industry experience. The idea of the product arose in numerous consulting and development projects with well-known companies from various industries, where requirements management with the help of other tools proved to be challenging and inefficient. ReqSuite therefore combines the latest research results from the field of requirements engineering with established requirements management features, or you can say RM features, thus making well-founded methods for increasing efficiency and quality available in a RM tool for the first time. ReqSuite was initiated by three scientists who had a lot of industry experience, and it combines the latest research so as to reduce, as we read on last slide, so as to reduce 40% of the requirement management cost, and it gives amazing requirement management features. Why ReqSuite software is beneficial? Here we are going to talk about why it is beneficial, why to use ReqSuite. ReqSuite's AI supported assistance functions make it one of the latest generation of requirements management tools, offering magnificent advantages in terms of quality and efficiency that go far beyond what even well-known competitors can offer. So as we saw that ReqSuite is AI supported assistant that function with the latest generation of requirement management tools, means it is supported by AI, so it can give its own ideas, and it can give you the ideas how can you move further, and it has many features which we are gonna see further, and offer a significant advantages in terms of quality and efficiency that go far beyond what even well-known competitors can offer. So it is far beyond what a competitor of ReqSuite can offer. So it is ahead of time, as we read on first slide, it is ahead of time. At the same time, ReqSuite is extremely easy and intuitive to use, which allows even people without dedicated knowledge of requirements management to work with it. So as we saw that ReqSuite can be used by anyone, means also a beginner who have no idea about requirement management can use ReqSuite. It is so easy and intuitive to use, and it is so user friendly due to the code free and full adaptability to the needs of individual companies. ReqSuite can also be introduced and rolled out in a very short time due to code free, because we do not require to code for to do our work in ReqSuite, and for due to full adaptability of to needs of individual companies, ReqSuite can be introduced and rolled out in a very short time. So ReqSuite can be introduced to someone who is not familiar with requirement management, and can be rolled out in a very short period of time, can be explained in a very short period of time, as it is code free. What ReqSuite software supports? So here we are going to see some features of ReqSuite software, that it never compromises in quality. It has a highest consistency, traceability, and standardization quality. If a person often struggles with incomplete and difficult to understand requirements, or with those whose need and priority are not apparent, then ReqSuite provides a solution to this problem. Thanks to various support functions such as process assistance or pre-filled templates, these requirement management tools ensure a high level of quality and completeness in your requirements right from the start. So if a person struggles with incomplete and difficult to understand requirements with those who need priority are not apparent. So as we saw that ReqSuite can be learned by a beginner. So it is given that those who are incomplete with the knowledge of requirements engineering or are new to requirements engineering, uh, and ReqSuite provides a solution for this problem. ReqSuite provides a solution for this problem. ReqSuite provides a user interface that they can use. Thanks to various support functions such as process assistance and pre-filled templates, it has a lots of free pre-filled templates and the process assistant that helps a beginner also to use ReqSuite to make requirement engineering very easily. These requirement management tools ensures a high level of quality and completeness in the requirements right from the start. It ensures the high level of quality and completeness for a big rather a beginner or make a beginner is making or a pro is making. It doesn't depend on that. It provides a quality and completeness of in your requirements right from the start, right from the beginning. It doesn't wait for anything else. It right from the start, it gives everything. Consistency are your elaboration and maintenance of requirements or the exchange of requirements with downstream development steps a complex or even error prone task. So it's a question. Even then, ReqSuite promises a solution. In addition to scalable requirement analysis and reuse functionalities, automatic synchronization with downstream tools such as JIRA, Jira, TFS, and MS Office provide significant efficiencies. So if your elaboration and maintenance of requirements or the exchange of requirements with downstream development steps or complex or even error prone tasks, if you are not able to do it, so ReqSuite is best app for you. Even then, ReqSuite promises a solution. ReqSuite also has solution for these things. In addition to scalable requirement analysis and reuse functionalities, automatic synchronization with downstream tools such as JIRA, TFS, and MS Office provides significant efficiency. So even ReqSuite provides many solutions, and a solution to this type of problem is very hard and cannot be found in many apps. So in addition to scalable requirement, ReqSuite has scalable requirements. As I told you, it has scalable requirements. In addition to scalable requirement analysis and reuse functionalities, automatic synchronization with downstream tools. So it has connected with many downstream tools such as JIRA, TFS, and MS Office, which provide significant efficiencies and helps you to use ReqSuite very easily and very comfortably. Now, traceability. It is difficult for you to keep an overview of the status and impact of the requirements, or is the quality assurance for assessment of requirements challenging? Is it difficult for you? ReqSuite changes this fact. Integrated controlling features within our requirements management tool allow you to analyze the content of your requirements as well as their description, quality, states, dependencies, and impacts, and many more. So traceability, as the name suggests, that if it is difficult for you to keep a status of each and every step and overview of each and every step of your requirements or the quality assurance or assessment requirement challenging, then ReqSuite changes this fact. Integrated controlling features, man, it have an integrated controlling feature in a requirement management tool which allow you to analyze the content of your requirements, which analyzes the content of your requirements as well as description, as well as their description quality. So it analyzes the content and their description quality, state, dependencies, and impacts. It analyzes everything and give you a full report of the analysis, and then you can see you can take all the report and you can see all the things in one report only. So you do not have to worry about that overview, and you do not have to go through it again and again for the overview. Standardization. Do the format and quality of your requirements always depend on who writes them? It is difficult to establish common best practice that reduces unnecessary friction losses. ReqSuite also promises a solution here. By storing your process and templates directly in the requirements management tool, all project participants automatically receive a standardized requirements management process. So the format and quality of requirements always depends on who writes them. So as we know that format and quality and of everything, not only requirement of everything, depends on who it writes. So giving it a standard is very difficult task for anyone. So it is it many times it has a lot of friction loss. It has lot of problems, and we cannot a person wrote and another person cannot stand, a lot of problems like this. So ReqSuite also provide a promised solution here. By storing your process and templates directly in the requirement management tool, all project participants automatically receive a standardized requirement management process. So if we store solution, if we store process and template directly in the requirement manager tools, anyone in the team can access it and will get a standardized requirement management process. So each and everyone in the team can understand what the other person has done. Features offered by ReqSuite offers many various features, and some of them are listed here: management, versioning, linking, reuse, process assistant, configurability, controlling, collaboration, interfaces, and many more. Management. ReqSuite allows the management of the requirements in freely definable categories and according to freely definable attributes. Graphics and files can also be attached besides text. Search and filter functions complete the management possibilities. So ReqSuite allows the management of requirements in freely definable categories. So ReqSuite allows you to manage your requirement according to the categories, so you can see directly your requirements from that category, so you do not have to search it all along according to freely definable attributes. With the freely definable attributes, you can define any as much as attributes you want, and you can categorize your requirements. Graphics and files can also be attached beside text. You can also attach graphics and files if you know, if you want to attach that. If there is some case that you need to attach graphics and files, you can also do that. ReqSuite also provides these features. Search and filter functions complete the management possibilities. So you after categories distribution, it also has a search and filter function. So with search and filter function, you can search any of your requirements directly with in the search bar, so you do not have to see all along. So it gives a tremendous amount of management and a good amount of management to do. Versioning. ReqSuite automatically saves any changes to requirements and provides corresponding version comparisons. In addition, explicit baselines can be created in order to back up the entire state of the requirements on a certain milestone. ReqSuite automatically save any changes to the requirements and provides corresponding version comparison. So if you are changing a ReqSuite version, if you are upgrading to a ReqSuite version, so it automatically changes the requirements according to the new version. You do not have to do it again and again. In addition, explicit baselines can be created in order to back up the entire state of requirements on a certain milestone. In addition, explicit baseline can be created. So you can also create your explicit baseline. You can also create one, so in order to back up the entire state. So explicit baseline means you can explicitly save all the tasks you have done, um, an entire state of the requirements in a certain milestone, in a particular means in a particular way, or from a particular task, a particular function, or particular requirement, you can save it till the particular requirement. Linking. ReqSuite allows maintaining semantic relationships among the requirements by typed links. In addition to manual linking, ReqSuite can be also automatically maintain the monitor relationships and their consistency. So ReqSuite allows maintaining semantic relationships among requirements by type linking. So ReqSuite also provides you a feature of typed linking. You can type the links and you can link to requirements as you want. ReqSuite also provides this feature. In addition to the manual linking, ReqSuite can also be automatically maintained and monitor relationships and their consistency. So in addition to manual linking, ReqSuite also automatically links some things. So if it sees, ReqSuite can also automatically maintain and monitor relationships and their consistency. So ReqSuite can also monitor and maintain the consistency between the requirements. If it's not manually linked, it can automatically link if it thinks that it's needed to be automatically linked. ReqSuite provides advanced features to reuse requirements. ReqSuite in nearly every version, ReqSuite provides advanced features to reuse requirements. So by using ReqSuite, you can reuse your requirements again and again. So you can reuse the saved requirements. This can take place in form of copies or references. This can take place in form of copies or references. As we see that we can reference particular requirement to the another requirement, or we means For taking a requirement, we can reference the file where the requirement is saved, or we can just copy or paste the requirement. In particular, it is possible to reuse consistent requirement packages rather than only single requirement. So it is recommendable and possible to reuse consistent requirement packages rather than only single requirements. So we should reuse our consistent requirement packages. What we have made before, we should not make it again and again. So it helps to reduce time and task and everything. Next, ReqSuite offers not only a flexible process assistance. ReqSuite offers not only a flexible process guidance similar to a car navigation system, but also freely definable sentence templates for easy recording or your requirements. In addition, ReqSuite assures requirements quality by continuous checks. ReqSuite not only a flexible process guidance similar to a car navigation system. So ReqSuite offers a flexible process guidance similar to a car navigation system, but also freely definable sentence templates or easy recording your requirements for easy recording your requirements. So it also provides a definable sentence templates, so you can directly import the templates. You do not have to write whole of the sentence for easy recording your requirements. So you can easily record your requirements with use of these sentence templates. In addition, ReqSuite assures requirements quality by continuous checks. So in addition, ReqSuite ensures that requirements quality should by continuous check. It continuously checks your requirement quality and it assures that it's going well. So configurability. ReqSuite can be fully adapted to the specific needs of companies. This include both types of requirements to be managed, as well as the methodological procedures or even the desired export formats. Configurability. ReqSuite can be fully adapted to the specific needs of the companies. ReqSuite can be adapted to the specific needs of the means. If a company wants ReqSuite to work like them, so it can be done like that. So ReqSuite also provides configurability. You can configure ReqSuite as you want. This includes both types of requirements to be managed. So it includes all the types of requirements to be managed, as well as the methodological procedures or even the desired export formats. So it includes both type of requirement as well as the methodological procedures, all the procedures, and or even the desired export formats, and each and every export formats. It includes everything. Controlling. ReqSuite allows the definition of the status workflows and monitoring of the corresponding work progress. ReqSuite also allows the definition of the status workflows. You can define your status workflows in ReqSuite and monitoring of the corresponding work progress. And you can monitor all the corresponding work progress, as we saw in before slides, that we can monitor ReqSuite in one click, and we can divide in categories and all the things. In addition, comprehensive analysis of requirements and their relationship or of their completeness and quality can be conducted. So in addition to these things, in addition to definition and all the things, it also provides a comprehensive analysis of requirements and their relationships. It provides a comprehensive analysis, means it analyzes all the requirements and their relationship with each other, or the completeness or quality can be conducted, or of their completeness, or the completeness and quality of the requirements also can be conducted in the ReqSuite. It also provides the features of these, so you can control your requirements in a very good manner. Collaboration. ReqSuite provides numerous features for a collaborative work on your requirements. In addition to obligatory locking functions, there are possibilities for thematic division of work as well as for distributed reviews or commenting. ReqSuite provides numerous features for a collaborative work on your requirements. So ReqSuite provides a numerous features, a vast amount of features for a collaborative work on your requirements, for work on your, so that you can collab and work on your requirements easily and more efficiently. In addition to the obligatory locking functions, that you can lock your functions so that no other one can use. So in addition to that, there are possibilities of thematic division of work there are possibilities of thematic division of work as well as distributed reviews or commenting. So there is a feature of division of work that if you have collab, then what work the other person do, what work the other one will do, what you all will do. So there is the division feature as well as distributed reviews or commenting, and also the feature for distributing reviews and commenting between those. So it provides numerous features for collaboration too. Interfaces: ReqSuite can synchronize its data with JIRA, TFS, GitLab, Enterprise Architect, Excel World. Interfaces. ReqSuite can synchronize its data with JIRA, TFS, GitLab, Enterprise Architect, Excel, Word, and ReqIF in a bi-directional way. In addition, a REST API is available that allows any system to exchange data with ReqSuite. So ReqSuite can synchronize its data with GIRA, TFS, GitLab. So ReqSuite can synchronize its data with many of the softwares. So you can easily convert your ReqSuite to them and them to ReqSuite, and also you can use the ReqSuite there and them here. So some softwares are given here like JIRA, TFS, GitLab, Enterprise Architect, Excel, Word, and RecIF, which is only of ReqSuite. So in a bi-directional way. So you can do both, as I said. In addition, a REST API is available that allows the system to exchange data with ReqSuite. So in addition of these things, a REST API is available, which allows data exchange also. So it is very easy to use ReqSuite.
Okay.
Thank you.